In the heart of the city, where dreams feel alive, Amaryllis Hotel shines ready to thrive. With elegance grace, it welcomes you in, a sanctuary of comfort when new stories spin. Through the golden doors, leave your worries behind. Every corner remember, every moment you'll find soft whispers of laughter in the grand hallways, a place where the sun never fades away. Amaryllis Hotel, where the stories grow, where the lights never dim, hearts always glow. In the magic of the night, send your soul to flight. Amaryllis Hotel makes everything right. By the fire in the lounge, where secrets are told, feel the warmth of the welcome in the city soul. Every smile tells a tale, every heartbeat blends in Amaryllis Hotel, where time never ends. Oh, the city hums a tune of dreams and spark. In this haven so bright, never feels dark. With every rising sun comes a fresh day.